Okay, here we are again with a 2017 Harley with the WHIM installed. That's the wireless headset interface module that was installed at the dealership. So now we're going to look at how to pair it to a Cardo device. This is going to work with pretty much any Cardo device, but we just happen to have a couple of Packtalks here, one for the passenger and one for rider. So as you can hear, the current audio is coming from the speakers. So let's look at pairing the headset so that it comes through the Bluetooth speakers. So we're going to start by going to the home menu, and then we're going to go to setup, and we're looking for there it is, headsets, and it's currently disabled. So we've got two here, one for passenger, one for rider. I'll put it into pairing mode. There we go. That's it. So as simple as that. But we haven't activated it. So now we will go to audio. And that is, I believe, communications. Oh, no, you know what? It's not. Back. Audio. Oh, no, there it is. Speaker, headset. So there it is. That's showing that the music is coming through the speakers. Now we're going to put it through the headset. And there it is. So it's a little quieter because, of course, it's coming through the Packtalk speakers. So that's all it takes. Simple as that.